Hello everyone, it's 6th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have a doctor who prescribed cough syrup held in MP. Again, very important news for health perspective. Moving forward, we have 23 dead after rain triggers landslides in West Bengal. Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have High Court steps in as artificial intelligence deepfakes threaten image rights of celebrities. Very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have teams fully active against adulteration of food, says minister. Very important for health perspective again. Then we have IMD issues yellow alert, forecast light rain today. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have CM's carnival push amid rain in Bengal gives opposition ammunition against TMC. Then we have prayers and protests in Leh, very important for internal security again. Then we have this whole page dedicated to Bihar Museum, Binele 2025, Global South sharing histories. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first news says, the course ahead of Trump's Gaza ceasefire plan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have treat employment as a national priority. Very important for employment perspective. Then we have India's direction for disaster resilience, very important for disaster management perspective. Then we have Telangana top states in UPI transaction intensity, RBI paper, say very important for economy as well as quality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have why is ADR crucial for India's course? Again, very important for polity and governance perspectives. Then we have how is AI transforming teaching and learning practices in Indian classrooms? Very important for education as well as science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have this news: drug makers must comply with revised norms. Very important for health perspective as well as quality and governance perspective. Then we have Indian Navy to commission INS Anurudh on October 6th. Very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have India's red lines have to be respected, says Jay Shankar on trade deal with US. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Amit Shah hails ethanol blending program as a game changer for sugar cooperatives. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have this world page. The Russian drones, missiles and guided bombs strike Ukraine, killing 5. Then we have Indonesia lifts TikTok license suspension as app shares the data. Then we have Israeli strikes must stop for Gaza hostage release, says Rubio. Then we have ties with UN nuclear body no longer relevant, says Iran. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.